What if I told you that some of the biggest problems in your kitchen are not because of your cooking skills, but because of the tools you're using every single day? In 2026, smart kitchen gadgets are completely changing how people cook in the United States. Today, I'm showing you 11 game-changing gadgets from Amazon that can save your time, reduce effort, and seriously upgrade your daily routine. Number 11. AeroPress Go Portable Coffee Maker. For many people, coffee is not just a drink, but a daily necessity that helps them start their day with energy and focus. However, making a good cup of coffee at home or while traveling can be difficult without the right equipment. Traditional coffee machines are often bulky, expensive, and not suitable for people who want something quick and portable. This is exactly why the AeroPress Go Portable Coffee Maker model AeroPress Go has become one of the most viral kitchen gadgets in 2026, because it offers a simple and efficient way to make high-quality coffee anywhere without relying on large machines or complicated setups. What makes this gadget stand out immediately is its compact and travel-friendly design. Unlike traditional coffee makers, this device is lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for people who are always on the go. Whether you are at home, in the office, or even traveling, you can prepare fresh coffee within minutes. This level of convenience is highly valued in modern American lifestyles where people want both quality and speed without extra effort. Another important advantage is the brewing quality. The AeroPress uses a unique pressure-based system that extracts rich flavor from coffee grounds, resulting in a smooth and balanced taste. It allows you to control the strength of your coffee, which means you can customize it according to your preference. Viral videos often highlight how quickly it works and how great the coffee looks, and in real-life use, it delivers exactly that same satisfying experience. The cleaning process is also extremely simple, which makes it practical for everyday use. You don't have to deal with complicated parts or time-consuming maintenance. Once you start using a portable coffee maker like this, traditional machines can feel unnecessary and less flexible. It gives you freedom, control, and convenience in one simple device, and that is exactly why it continues to trend as one of the most useful kitchen gadgets in 2026. Number 10. Chefin FreshForce Citrus Juicer. Squeezing fresh juice sounds simple, but in reality, it can be messy, tiring, and inefficient, especially when you are trying to get the most out of fruits like lemons, limes, or oranges. Many people end up using their hands or basic tools that don't extract enough juice, which leads to waste and extra effort. Over time, this small inconvenience becomes a repeated frustration in daily cooking and drink preparation. This is exactly why the Chefin FreshForce Citrus Juicer Model 102,159,017 has become one of the most viral kitchen gadgets in 2026, because it transforms a basic task into something faster, cleaner, and far more efficient. What makes this gadget stand out immediately is its dual gear mechanism, which is designed to increase pressing power without requiring extra effort from the user. Unlike traditional manual juicers, this system multiplies the force you apply, allowing you to extract significantly more juice with less pressure. This is especially useful in modern American kitchens where people value tools that save time and reduce physical effort. It allows you to get the maximum amount of juice from each fruit, which improves both efficiency and value. Another important advantage is cleanliness. One of the biggest problems with squeezing citrus manually is the mess it creates, including juice splashes and seeds falling into your drink or food. This juicer is designed to minimize splatter while also filtering out seeds, which keeps everything clean and ready to use. Viral videos often show how smoothly juice flows out with minimal effort, and in real-life use, it delivers the same neat and controlled experience. The design is also compact and easy to store, which makes it suitable for everyday use without taking up space in your kitchen. Cleaning is simple, as the parts can be rinsed quickly after use. Once you start using a tool like this, squeezing citrus by hand feels inefficient and outdated. It simplifies a repetitive task, improves results, and saves effort, and that is exactly why it continues to trend as one of the most practical kitchen gadgets in 2026. Number 9. Tovolo Collapsible Microwave Cover. Using a microwave is part of daily life for most people, but it often comes with a common problem that almost everyone has experienced at some point. Food splatters inside the microwave, creating a mess that builds up over time and becomes difficult to clean. Many people ignore it at first, but eventually it leads to unpleasant smells and extra cleaning effort. This is exactly why the Tovolo Collapsible Microwave Cover Model 81-31551 has become one of the most viral kitchen gadgets in 2026, because it solves a very common problem in a simple and practical way. What makes this gadget stand out immediately is its ability to prevent mess without adding extra steps to your routine. This small change makes a big difference, especially in modern American households where people rely heavily on microwaves for quick meals and reheating food. Another important advantage is its collapsible design. Unlike bulky covers that take up space, This one can be folded down when not in use, making it easy to store even in small kitchens. Viral videos often show how easily it expands and collapses, and in real-life use, it delivers the same convenience and flexibility. The cover is also designed to allow steam to escape properly, which helps heat food evenly without making it soggy. Cleaning is simple, as it can be rinsed quickly or placed in the dishwasher. Once you start using a microwave cover like this, dealing with food splatters feels unnecessary and frustrating. It's a small upgrade that saves time, reduces cleaning effort, and improves your daily routine. And that is exactly why it continues to trend as one of the most practical kitchen gadgets in 2026. Number 8. Prepworks by Progressive Adjust a Slice Mandoline. Slicing vegetables evenly is one of those tasks that seems easy but becomes frustrating when you try to do it quickly and accurately. Whether you are preparing potatoes for chips, cucumbers for salad, or onions for cooking, getting consistent slices with a knife requires both time and skill. Even small differences in thickness can affect how food cooks and looks, which makes the process less efficient overall. This is exactly why the Prepworks by Progressive Adjust a Slice Mandoline Model PL81000 has become one of the most viral kitchen gadgets in 2026 because it turns a slow and inconsistent task into something fast, precise, and effortless. What makes this gadget stand out immediately is its adjustable slicing system. Instead of switching between multiple blades or tools, you can easily change the thickness with a simple control, allowing you to get the exact slice you need every time. This level of precision is extremely useful in modern American kitchens where both presentation and efficiency matter. Another important advantage is speed. What would normally take several minutes with a knife can be done in seconds using this Mandoline slicer. Viral videos often show vegetables being sliced instantly with smooth and uniform results, and in real-life use, it delivers the same level of efficiency. This makes it especially useful when preparing meals in large quantities or when you are short on time. It comes with a non-slip base that keeps it stable during use, making the process more comfortable and controlled. Cleaning is simple, as the parts can be rinsed quickly after use. Once you start using a slicer like this, cutting vegetables by hand feels slow and inconsistent. It saves time, improves precision, and simplifies your preparation process, and that is exactly why it continues to trend as one of the most efficient kitchen gadgets in 2026. Number 7. Kitchen Mama Electric Can Opener. Opening cans is one of those small kitchen tasks that people don't think about much, but it can quickly become frustrating when the tool you're using doesn't work smoothly. Traditional manual can openers often require effort, can slip during use, and sometimes leave sharp edges that are unsafe to handle. For many people, especially those who cook regularly, this becomes a repeated inconvenience that slows down simple meal preparation. This is exactly why the Kitchen Mama Electric Can Opener Model CO1100 has become one of the most viral kitchen gadgets in 2026 because it takes a basic task and makes it completely effortless and safe. What makes this gadget stand out immediately is its automatic operation. Instead of manually turning a handle, you simply place the device on top of the can, press a button, and it starts cutting around the lid on its own. This level of simplicity makes it extremely easy to use for anyone, including people who may struggle with grip strength or hand pressure. In modern American households, where convenience and ease of use are highly valued, this feature makes a significant difference in everyday kitchen routines. Another important advantage is safety. Viral videos often show how effortlessly the lid comes off without any struggle, and in real-life use, it delivers the same smooth and controlled experience. Cleaning is minimal, as there are no messy parts to manage. It removes effort, improves safety, and speeds up a basic task, and that is exactly why it continues to trend as one of the most practical kitchen gadgets in 2026. Number 6. Ninja Foodi Power Mixer System. Mixing ingredients is a basic part of cooking, but it often becomes more complicated than it should be when you don't have the right tool. Whether you are whisking batter, blending sauces, or preparing dough, using manual tools can take time and effort, and the results are not always consistent. On the other hand, large stand mixers can feel bulky and unnecessary for small, everyday tasks. This creates a gap between convenience and performance, which is exactly why the Ninja Foodi Power Mixer System Model CI101 has become one of the most viral kitchen gadgets in 2026 because it offers a powerful yet compact solution for multiple mixing needs. What makes this gadget stand out immediately is its versatility. It works as both a hand mixer and an immersion blending system, which means you can handle different tasks without switching between multiple appliances. This is extremely useful in modern American kitchens where people prefer tools that can do more in less space. Unlike traditional hand mixers that may struggle with thicker mixtures, this device is designed to handle a wide range of ingredients with ease. It offers multiple speed settings, allowing you to adjust performance depending on what you are preparing. Viral videos often show how smoothly it mixes and blends in seconds, and in real-life use, it delivers the same reliable performance. It helps achieve better texture and consistency without extra effort. Once you start using a multifunctional mixer like this, traditional tools feel limited and inefficient. It saves time, reduces effort, and improves results. And that is exactly why it continues to trend as one of the most powerful and practical kitchen gadgets in 2026. Number 5. OTOTO Red the Crab Silicone Utensil Rest. Cooking often involves using multiple utensils at the same time, and one of the most common problems people face is where to place those utensils while cooking. Many people end up placing spoons or spatulas directly on the counter, which creates mess, stains, and extra cleaning work later. This is exactly why the OTOTO Red the Crab Silicone Utensil Rest Model OT871 has become one of the most viral kitchen gadgets in 2026, because it solves a simple but very common problem in a smart and practical way. What makes this gadget stand out immediately is its functional design combined with a creative look, preventing it from touching your kitchen surface. In modern American kitchens, where efficiency and cleanliness are important, this small improvement can make a noticeable difference in daily routines. And that is exactly why it continues to trend as one of the most practical kitchen gadgets in 2026. Number 4. ThermoPro Digital Instant Read Meat Thermometer. Cooking meat perfectly is one of the biggest challenges in the kitchen, especially when you're trying to get the right balance between undercooked and overcooked. Many people rely on guesswork, cutting into food to check doneness, or simply estimating time, which often leads to inconsistent results. This not only affects taste, but can also ruin the texture of the dish. This is exactly why the ThermoPro Digital Instant Read Meat Thermometer Model TP19H has become one of the most viral kitchen gadgets in 2026, because it removes the guesswork and gives you accurate results every single time. What makes this gadget stand out immediately is its instant temperature reading feature. Within just a few seconds, it provides a precise reading, allowing you to know exactly when your food is cooked to perfection. This is extremely useful in modern American kitchens where people want reliable results without constantly checking or overcooking their meals. Another important advantage is versatility. It can be used for different types of food, including steak, chicken, fish, and even baked items. Viral videos often show perfectly cooked meat with accurate temperature readings, and in real-life use, it delivers the same level of precision and reliability. The design is also user-friendly as one of the most essential kitchen gadgets in 2026. Number 3. Stasher Reusable Silicone Food Storage Bag. Food storage is something every kitchen deals with daily, but it often comes with problems that people don't think about until they become frustrating. Traditional plastic bags tear easily, don't seal properly, and create unnecessary waste over time. Containers, on the other hand, can take up too much space and are not always convenient for storing smaller portions. This is exactly why the Stasher Reusable Silicone Food Storage Bag model Stand-Up Mid-Bag has become one of the most viral kitchen gadgets in 2026 because it offers a smarter and more sustainable solution for everyday food storage. What makes this gadget stand out immediately is its reusable silicone design. Unlike disposable plastic bags, this one is built to last and can be used again and again without losing its quality. It allows you to store food efficiently while reducing waste at the same time. Another important advantage is versatility. This bag is not limited to just storage. You can use it in the freezer, microwave, and even for sous vide cooking. This makes it far more useful than traditional storage options. Viral videos often show how easily it stands upright and holds different types of food, and in real-life use, it delivers the same level of convenience and flexibility. It simplifies storage, improves organization, and supports a more efficient kitchen routine, and that is exactly why it continues to trend as one of the smartest kitchen gadgets in 2026. Number 2. Etekcity Digital Kitchen Scale. Accurate measurements are one of the most important parts of cooking, but many people still rely on guesswork when adding ingredients. A little too much or too little can completely change the outcome of a recipe, especially when it comes to baking or precise meal preparation. Using cups and spoons can sometimes be inconsistent, which leads to results that don't turn out as expected. This is exactly why the Etekcity Digital Kitchen Scale Model EK6015 has become one of the most viral kitchen gadgets in 2026 because it brings accuracy, consistency, and control into everyday cooking. What makes this gadget stand out immediately is its precise digital measurement system. Instead of estimating quantities, you can measure ingredients exactly down to grams or ounces, ensuring that every recipe turns out the way it should. This is extremely useful in modern American kitchens where people are focusing more on accuracy, whether for cooking, baking, or even tracking nutrition. It allows you to follow recipes with confidence and avoid mistakes caused by incorrect measurements. Another important advantage is versatility. This scale can be used for a wide range of purposes, from measuring flour and sugar to portioning meals for dieting or meal prep. The design is sleek, compact and easy to store, making it suitable for any kitchen size. It also features a tare function, which allows you to reset the weight after placing a container, making measurements even more convenient. It improves precision, reduces errors, and enhances your cooking experience. And that is exactly why it continues to trend as one of the most essential kitchen gadgets in 2026. Number 1. Revolution InstaGLO or 180 Toaster. We've reached number 1, and this is one of those kitchen gadgets that completely changes something you thought was already simple. Toasting bread might seem like one of the easiest tasks, but when you actually pay attention, it's often inconsistent. Sometimes it comes out too burnt, sometimes too light, and adjusting settings doesn't always give you the result you expect. This small daily frustration is something most people ignore, but over time it affects your overall kitchen experience. That's exactly why the Revolution InstaGLO R180 Toaster model R180B has become one of the most viral kitchen gadgets in 2026 because it upgrades a basic appliance into something precise, fast, and highly reliable. This level of control is extremely useful in modern American kitchens where people expect convenience and accuracy in every appliance. It allows you to achieve consistent results without trial and error. Another important advantage is speed and performance. The InstaGLO heating system is designed to toast bread faster while maintaining an even texture on the inside and outside. Viral videos often show perfectly golden toast coming out every time, and in real-life use, it delivers the same consistent results. This eliminates the frustration of uneven toasting and improves your daily routine. Once you start using a smart toaster like this, traditional ones feel outdated and unreliable. It turns a simple task into a precise and satisfying experience, saving time while improving results. And that is exactly why it earns the number 1 spot as one of the most advanced and life-changing kitchen gadgets in 2026.